This website will pay you $4.90 every 20 minutes in simple 3 steps. In step 3, you withdraw money to your bank account. So what is this website and what do you really need to do? In this video on YouTube, this guy has already made $10. Step number 1, use this button and create a free account. And after creating a free account, go to your account and you will find quiz type questions that you need to answer. Here are a couple of examples. For every question, there is a given time like this one. This question will take 35 minutes to answer and it will pay you $6. Now, this question and answer method seems easy, but interestingly, Trustpilot says something opposite. So the website name is minds.testable.org, and yes, all you need to do is to participate in these questions and answers. Once your answers are accepted, you earn money like this one, $4.90 in 20 minutes. But unfortunately, the competition is so high that you will rarely find any question unanswered. And on top of that, Trustpilot reviews are not much promising, like this one, this one, this one. So what about this video? This guy seemed to make $10 from this website. Yes, he made, but there are limited ways you can withdraw your funds. And even worse, in their website they have mentioned you can maximum make $50 per month from this website. That's why we don't recommend anyone to use these shortcuts that bring no value to anyone's lives. We do high ticket affiliate marketing, and the reason our beginner students just like you love our program and earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions, because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and captions for a free case study.